Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Hello and welcome to your daily singing lessons. Let's get started with this one. It is in the major scale. It's from the first, second, third, fourth, and fifth note on up. Okay, let me make sure it doesn't get shined on. Okay, here we go. You know what? These are exercises that we do in my Singing for a Lifetime, because singing is for a lifetime. And we just enjoy it so much. So you're getting a sneak preview of it here. I'm going to start down here. So anyone who has a low voice, you guys are going to love it down here. And I'm down here. But I'll go here because I can sing it, you know. And ladies, whenever you can, start to come in. Remember, this is going to be a little bit longer, not that long, but it is going to be light. At least that's the way I'm using this exercise today. If you want to utilize it in any other way, go ahead. Remember to take a breath in between. Here we go. Think of a tempo. Now, I'm going to take it a little bit slower. I know you're going, oh my gosh, she stopped me right. I was doing so well. I'm going to take it a little bit slower, just in case you need to make adjustments in the transitions. You know, like every octave, there is some kind of a transition. So if you're going from chest into falsetto or head, or the mix, you want to gently glide into them. One more time. 1, 2, 3. Take a breath. Feel a beat going. You can use any vowel you want. Keep your body up. Now I'm slowing down here. Right in here is where you're going to have changes. Don't push your voice. Feel where the muscles are. Keep the mouth open. Take a nice breath in between. Come out here. Don't pull in at all. Here we go. Take a nice breath, mouth open. Lift up for the high note at the end. Up high. Back down, keep the mouth open. Like that. And my fingers keep working, honey. Take a nice breath. Keep the ribs nice and lifted. Come out. Come out in the midsection. Now right in here, be careful. Sense what the muscles want. Mouth. Keep the mouth open. Not too long. That's it, all the way down. As low as you can go. Don't drop the body though. Think very open and rotund. Oh, there's a finger. Oh my gosh. We want them to work. You're done, darlings. You did a great job. Oh my gosh. Now remember, when you're singing, you have to sense the muscles. You can use these exercises any way you want, but be respectful. They're going to tell you what they feel. You could do this as a first exercise. Anything that's light, that you go from low to high, you can use as a first exercise. Don't push it though if it is. If it's in the middle, then go ahead, push, go up a little bit higher. All right? Listen, have a wonderful, wonderful day, a wonderful singing day, because it's... Subscribe, honey, subscribe. Such a day, yeah. Such a mighty fine day. Yeah, yeah. Oh, yeah. Ba, 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 ba.